Can you hold that, Yush?
Sure.
We just figured out a really good tip. Keep your old frog tape containers and you can stick your grinding discs in there so the edges don't get scored or marked or chipped or grazed or damaged in any way when you have them just rolling around inside here. So yeah, keep them in there, pop that on, keeps them smelling fresh, and that's how you protect your discs. As for this job, where it's getting a bit late, we've got a basketball game tonight and we're not going to get it done, so we're going to try and get here tomorrow and do it. That's what we always say. And then the first parts of many videos never get out, but we're doing this. We're going to do this whole pool area one day. We didn't show much, did we? So before we undertook this project, from up the back, we didn't even really bother to come down here, did we, Huge?
No.
We realised that it's already been extended before. So before you start a home reno DIY project like this, be sure to go and actually have a look first. Yeah. So we're going to have bits on bits. It's not going to be the prettiest. We're just putting up a privacy screen right here. Turn around, and if you look closely, you can see right into the neighbor's house, and the neighbor can see right into our house. You see that? Yeah, that's as good as it gets. Yep.
That worked up top? That's...
Yeah. We want to run it from this one. We want to run it level from here right across to here. So we're going to do these end pieces here plus here. That's how high it's going to be on the end. Alright, let's do it. 160. That's 140.
That's all you need.
And then 300 here. 300 there. 160, 140, and a 300. And we're using these right here. These are materials right here. So we can get in the back. Oh my God. Look at this. Might be going far by this much. will sit on there like that. Just go straight up the top. And they get all pinned together. See through the. So when it goes through, it goes through. You like that?
Yep.
Ah.
Your work. It's already slotted. Put a hand up there.
That's it. Have a good day. I'll see you next time.